Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I have a virtual test drive for you of a 2006 Cadillac CTS-V. So this walk around, or this test drive video, is for the potential buyer that wants to know a little bit more information. What's it look like from my point of view, kind of firsthand? How does it drive? If you want any of the additional information about it, I know it has low miles and everything. Go on over to volocars.com when we're done and see the whole write-up, 100 or so other pictures, and then give our sales department a call. And also, if you haven't already, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on notifications so you get updated anytime we do one of these videos. So the only time we get these newer cars is if something's very special, like this one, 5-speed, low miles. These are when we get the 2000s and everything. The interior looks brand new still. Even has the moonroof, sunroof. Over here, let me go ahead and start it up. Gauges are popping up. Yeah, it's saying here, what is that, 3,200 miles? I don't know if that's the tripometer or odometer. But overall, this car looks brand new. Well, it does. The built-in garage door openers, AC, already blowing cold. Like I said, I mean, this thing is awesome. Plus the 6-speed, not even a 5-speed, 6-speed. So that's why Jay bought this. And this is the first time we're taking it out on the road, on the shop here. So we get to see everything firsthand, and I don't think anything's going to need fixed at all. This thing's just buy it and take it. So I'll start off just getting the hang of it, and then later on I'll open her up a little. As expected, drives just like a new car. Straight, sounds awesome. I don't believe I'm gonna find anything wrong with this. Whoever had this previously treated it just like their baby. Super smooth ride, the gauges work. Interiors in just superb condition. And I know the 6-speeds are rare, especially in this condition from 06. It's has all the get up and go you can want. I mean, going over those bumps, silent inside. Steering wheel's not faded at all. Is it a Bose sound system? Let's open it up a little bit. Whoa. Every gear just gives you an extra boost. That is quick. Wow. I've ridden in Cadillacs before, and I cannot remember any that's actually sucked me back into seat like that. Wow. All right. Let's see, we're in 4th gear. Let's see the pickup. Picks right up in 4th gear if you need to get up and go. Whoa. This thing is luxury and just a lot of fun. Give him a little bit of space. Woo! Just so it does go in the other gears. 5th, 6th, smooth shifting. What just an awesome ride. Wow. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and head on over to volocars.com to all the other fun facts and features about this from Jay, and then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.